In this part of the video, I'll show you how to add a custom token to your Trust Wallet. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Make sure your wallet is fully set up and unlocked so you can access your assets. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap the plus icon. This will take you to the tokens section where you can search for or add new tokens. If you don't see the token you're looking for in the list, tap the plus icon again in the top right corner to manually add a custom token. Now, select the network where your token exists. For example, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or another supported blockchain. For this example, we'll use a token on the Ethereum network. To find its details, go to etherscan.io in your browser and search for the token's name. Once you find it, copy the contract address. This is what connects your wallet to the correct token on the blockchain. Head back to Trust Wallet and fill in the following information. Token contract address. Paste the address you copied from Etherscan or from other sources like BSC SCAN. Name, enter the full name of the token. For example, Tether USD symbol. Type the short name or ticker, such as USDT decimals. Most tokens use 18, but check the exact number on Etherscan to be sure. Once everything is filled in correctly, tap Import or Add Token to finish, and that's it. You've successfully added a custom token to your Trust Wallet. It'll now appear on your wallet's main screen, and you can track, send, or receive it just like any other cryptocurrency.